Hi, I'm Mark Haynes, owner of Deco Sealers. So our first video on this project, again, is it's a basement application, how to get dug out, get cleaned up, cracks repaired, and then at that point we had our builder put the Deco tack on. The tack's an adhesive primer. The tack has now gone from milky white to clear. Usually it takes a half an hour, 45 minutes. On this job, it was closer to 10 to 15 minutes. So it turned clear pretty quickly. So the wall's completely sticky. You don't really see it, but that's good because it's clear, it's ready to go for the next step. And the next step is the Deco seal. That's our gray or beige waterproofing membrane, and that's what John's rolling on right now. The first coat of the, he's using the beige product, the beige Deco seal. He's using a heavier nap roller, 3/4 inch nap roller. And how's everything going so far, John?
Going real good.
Yep, going on nice. So he's trimmed a little bit around the siding there with a paintbrush, but at this point, he's rolling the first coat on the wall. He's going to go the entire corner around the corner onto the other wall, and then once that dries, it's late morning right now, about probably 50 some degrees. That'll dry hopefully in about 3 to 4 hours, and then he'll roll the second coat on this afternoon. You want that first coat to dry first, so do a hand test. As long as it's dry with your hand, you can roll the second coat on of the Deco seal, and then after the second coat's dry, then I think you're going to put a foam board over, John?
Yeah.
Yep, so you can take a little of that Deco tack and put it on the foam board so it'll adhere right to our product. The boards have nothing to do with waterproofing. It's just a protection board. If you want to tape the seams between each board, you can. If not, no worries. So again, this is a renovation project basement with the Deco tack as the primer and the Deco seal as the waterproofing product. Easy to do yourself, but excavators, remodelers, contractors can do this as well. So if you need any assistance, give us a call at 717-484-6131 or go to our website for more information at decosealers.com. Thank you.